Hey there, sisters. I was going to show how to send an email to our ward. The first thing you would go is go to churchofjesuschrist.org or lds.org as it currently is. So I would click on my account. I'm logged in, but I would go there. And once I'm there, I would go to Leader and Clerk Resources. And then I would go into Applications and do Send a Message. And then you type your Relief Society headline, but what I do first is I always send the email to myself to make sure the font changes. There's no surprise font changes or anything, so I would just do a silly subject line. And then because I know I want to send it to myself, I narrow that search to Relief Society Presidency. I pick myself, select, and then I would go into my document. So let's say that this is the document I've written. This is me poaching off a document that Jackie and Margie put together, but let's say that's it. And I'd paste it in, say, okay, it looks good. Then I'd add any attachments I had, choose files from your device. So you'll just want to make sure to save any attachments that you are going to put on here. So anyway, you attach those and then you click send message. And when I do it, it'll go to me. So let's say I send the message. Let me make sure I'm just sending it to myself. Okay. And then it'll pop up in my email account so that I can check it. So here it is. I scroll down, you can almost see it. Here it is. You can see part of the message that looks like the font is fine. Looks like the spacing could be a little better, so I can play with the spacing if I want. But then I just go back in and now I do, I go into members because that's who I'm going to have. I'm going to do all the women. And then I am going to select all. And then I remember that there are women who have asked not to receive these. So I'll go down and as of right now, that is Dory Brock, so I'd unclick for her. And then, anyway, we need to have a list of our do not contacts. But we've got Ellen Greenway and Sister Hewlett. And there's one other person who I can't remember. Anyway, so you just do those and then you click select because that's everyone that's going to get them. Then you create your nice subject line like midweek email or happy St. Patrick's Day or whatever, and you'll put your message in again and click send, and it will be wonderful.